estranho isso aí.
Indiana Jones.
This law passed 2009. The farm must have 80% of preservation.
Afforestation.
Orgânico, viu? Aquilo ali que vocês parecem.
On average, one man can take the maximum of 3,000 plants.
Hello.
Gary Paulo, who runs this farm with his wife, won the prize of the best chocolate with milk of the region.
Agora o que que o...
Carrinho de massa.
Sim, tem dentro.
Ele já tá um pouco.
Ultimamente a gente olhando esse
Cacao that's freshly harvested from the tree is nice and smooth on the outside. Maybe in the set.
Eu tenho uns que This is cleaner. He sells fake selection.
Okay.
This is not the
City market.
That is how it's done here.
Generous.
90% of it produced on the region is. This is true. The green. He has 800 of these. Brazil's Magnum. Lima.
Lima.
The plant. There's a female plant. There's a male plant which doesn't produce anything because it is female. This is a small dragon fruit that
Vanilla?
plants we
Tá germinando, ó.
como nativo da
Tá germinando.
inglês, nativo.
native.
Né?
What is the name?
Ah.